Come test drive the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power door locks, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque, Ford F-250 Super Duty. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.